What products to choose for detailing your car? The market is packed with all kinds of detailing products and accessories, but which ones actually make sense to use? Let's start with cleaning your wheels. Iron Remover. This will take care of the metallic contaminants that come from your brakes. Spray it onto your wheels, and the color changing effect will show how much contamination is really there. Don't scrub with a brush yet. That could scratch the finish. Instead, rinse it off first, then apply again, and now you can work it in with a brush. Once rinsed, your wheels will be looking fresh and glossy. Next, let's tackle the tires using tire and rubber cleaner. Follow the same process as the wheels. Apply, rinse, apply again, and then scrub. For the best results, grab a Willy Bully brush. This thing is made for the job, pre-wash and paint cleaning. Now it's time to move on to the paintwork with a pre-wash. You've got two solid options. Traffic Film Remover, TFR. Stronger, more aggressive, and will break down grime better. Snow Foam, safer for outdoor use, won't harm wax or coatings. Both are concentrates, so be careful with dilution. Always follow the label instructions. Apply TFR with a sprayer, no need to wait. Just rinse immediately, and you'll see dirt disappearing like magic. Time for the real wash. Pure shampoo is pH neutral, meaning it won't mess with your paint, coating, or wax. Always use the 2-bucket method. One for clean water, one for dirty water, both with grit guards to trap contaminants at the bottom. If you want to take detailing to the next level, APC, All-Purpose Cleaner, is your best friend. It's one of the most versatile detailing products out there. Depending on the dilution, you can use it on wheels, tires, badges, and even your car's interior. Just avoid leather as it can dry it out. Drying without streaks. Now, dry your car properly, but don't skimp on the towel. Meet the King Drying Towel, double-sided, featuring a twisted pile weave that absorbs every last drop without leaving streaks, protecting the paint. Now let's lock in that shine. Sio from the Passion series will give you insane hydrophobic properties while making your paint pop. Use a Gentleman Basic Microfiber for buffing to ensure a streak-free finish. Tire Shine for the final touch. Finally, bring back that deep black look with Tire Dressing Shine. Clean, glossy tires paired with a sealed, shiny paint job make your car look like it just rolled off the factory floor. And the best part? It'll stay looking fresh for a long time. Now you know exactly which detailing products to use and, more importantly, how to use them right.